from my house to here and I can feel the wind. This is what I like here. Come on, join us while we are walking. Hello guys! As promised, I'm here again in Admiralty Park. Last time when we went here, we wasn't able to show you the nature area because it's dark and there was no light. And since today is still early and you know it's quite windy, I think we can show you around the nature area, the full nature area. Come on, join us! Let's go! And guys, you see that? There are two monkeys over there. There's an office here, like this area does not have barrier-free accessibility and may be physically challenging for some visitors. And there's a guide here, like the amphitheater is there, food and beverage is 140 meters, west entrance, urban park 230 meters, play areas, all those that I showed you last time. And here, the one that we're going is the nature park, which is 10-meter nature park bridge, which is 10 meters away from here. This is the bridge that I'm seeing in the picture. Now I'm in this bridge already. It's nice. They're saying here, no fishing. So I think there's a fish here. There are fishes. Do you hear that? It's good to hear. See, still early, but the sounds of the insects are all over here. The sounds of the birds. And in the entrance over there, we saw monkeys. Hopefully, I still will see monkeys when we walk here. Come on. And you know, it's nice, see? It's windy. It's good. It's good to walk now. swim. It's so refreshing. As you see, there are a lot of people now because it's still early. And it's quite windy. And I can hear the nature. The birds are around. This is another bridge. There are people who jog here, walk, cycle. Oh, and that's another sound. You really can hear nature here. If you wanted to relax or unwind, you can come here. And the weather is nice today. It's not raining and it's not hot. Turtles? I got beaten by the ants. And there are guides here. There's a signboard, a guide. What to do when you encounter wild monkeys. I think there are a lot of monkeys over there. So they're saying, do keep food out of sight. Do not carry plastic bags. Do not feed the monkeys. There's a fine, 5,000 SGD. And do not choose flash photography. Do not go near the monkeys. Keep a safe distance if approached by the monkeys. Keep calm. Avoid eye contact with the monkeys and slowly walk away. So let's see whether I will encounter monkeys here. Come on, it's going dark already. We need to be in a hurry. I'm enjoying the sounds of the river. When you're here, you really will hear the loud sounds of the water. I'm trying to see where it came from, but I'm not able to see. It's covered by the trees. If you really wanted to see nature, to hear the nature, then this is a good place. We are here now at the North Pavilion. This is the north entrance actually. And that area is the Woodlands Waterfront Park. Next time, I'll tour you in Woodlands Waterfront. I've been there like once or twice in Woodlands Waterfront Park. It's quite nice, and they're saying that there are a lot of amenities or facilities now compared to before. So I wanted to see also. Next time, I'll tour you there. And that's all guys for today. It's been a relaxing day, and I walked for I think 2 hours into the whole nature park, and the weather is nice today. It's not raining and it's not hot also. It's quite windy, but I sweat because of the 2 hours walk. See you again on my next video. Stay safe and take care guys. And by the way, if you are not subscribing here in my channel, please watch my videos, like and subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I have new videos. Bye!